Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Google Street View function on the Google Earth application. Thereby you will be able to ascend the picturesque hiking trails and discover breathtaking views along the way. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should type in the name of the location that you are interested in, or you can also search by using this map by scrolling to the right or left side of the screen. But you can also use this search bar at the top of the screen. So type in the place, location, or city, country, whatever you are interested in. Now you will be directed to your spot. And now you should zoom in. And then click on this second icon, which is supposed to be a person. And then you should tap a location which is highlighted in blue in order to enter the street view. So just simply select a point and tap on it, and then you will be able to use the street view function. You can go back and forth, you can zoom in and discover the nearby area of your location. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.